Hi, welcome. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga instructor, and lots of people asking right now, what is fitness yoga? It's gonna be right now popular. Very soon in Dubai, I'm really excited. I'm going to start first session tomorrow in BR, Performance Gym in the IFC, Saturday 8:30 in the morning. The same style fitness yoga you can try with me in the fitness zone in City Walk on Thursday 6:30 a.m. And if you're curious what is fitness yoga, I try to explain. So that's my own unique signature style. I've been practicing yoga many years, and I was trying to figure out the way how I can add to the static poses, to the static stretching, something more exciting, something more enjoyable. So it's a movement. I link movement with the pose, also with breathing, which is great to improve your performance. We work to improve your flexibility, which means as well better performance because you're getting better range of movement in your joints, and also you're working for the strength as well. So it's great combination because you're working for the stronger toned body, but at the same time we're improving the flexibility, which means we're trying to reach the balance between strength and flexibility to prevent injury. And I believe everybody wants that, okay? We don't want injuries on the way when we exercise. We want to be fit and injury-free. And that's why my combination guarantee you're going to perform whatever you do for many years come. See you on the mat.